Hey guys, today we are planting some mint plants. This is mint. I want to show you how to plant it when you're limited to normal loam soil with high organic matter, chicken manure, some sand, some charcoal. So the first thing is to prepare your recycling plastic that you're going to plant it in. First you need to cut holes. I took some used spoke, fork. I just heated it up, then I made some holes. This is to allow the water to flow. When you're watering, the water to flow out so it doesn't cause any root damage. Then I like to use charcoal at the base so that the soil doesn't get compacted and block those holes at the bottom. This is just your normal cooking fat plastic container you have here in Kenya. So the normal ratio, you can see I made one over here. The normal ratio that I use is that I put the normal soil about 50%. About 50, basically half of what container you have. Then I'll put the remainder around, let's say 25% manure, chicken manure, and 25% sand. And the purpose of the sand is to improve, is to help with drainage, because it's coarse, it holds water well, and at least allows water to flow. The manure is just to give it a boost of nutrients. Yeah, and just that it. So I usually take like 3 scoops of this old serving spoon, 3, put it inside there, put 1, put it inside there. At least this is equals to around 3 of these equates to 50% of this container, and 1 scoop equals to 25% of the sand and the chicken manure. Then afterwards, after you've placed it, you mix it well. So I like to mix it in one container like this one. I like to mix it up, then I transfer it to these other recycling plants. You have, as you can see, I've already placed some of the charcoal. You can use stones, anything just helps to block, but I also like using charcoal because it also helps with the odor if you're going to place it during the inside the house. Okay, so let me try to do this with a phone in one hand. So we'll take 3 scoops of this, the normal soil, and always try to break up your soil. This is a bit coarse, so around 50%. Let me add a little bit more there. And I take my sand, 1 scoop. I found this. You'll use your own, just about 20% of, or 25%. Yeah. Then I take my chicken manure. There, not so much, so it doesn't become too acidic. And you always, if you find that it has a little bit of space, preferably just increase your amount of soil. There. Then I'm mixing it with, there's a piece of wire over here. Yes, my mixing wire. So basically just try to mix it. It's challenging with one hand. There you have it, all mixed up. Now you're going to make a little bit of a hole at the center where you're going to plant the mint, sort of manure and old roots. So make a little bit of a hole, take one of them, then you place it here, you try to compact it, and there you have it. Second one down. So it won't grow into such a big plant, but I don't need it to be so big. You can also plant it in the soil directly, but remember it can spread, so you have to control it. It can spread quickly. Anyway, that's how to plant mint in recycled plastic containers. Thank you.